Hello and a very big warm welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how you can fix the issue on Sage of having a transaction and labeling it for your Make Tax Digital return, but it not going over to your income tax and for some reason being left in the mud. So when you sign up to Sage, there is a free plan. Yes, the free plan is great, but you can then only edit individual transactions once you've connected your bank account to Sage. You can't use the bulk editor. So initially I was going through all of my transactions and selecting what expense they are one by one, and then I would head over to my income tax. I would view my income tax and I would think, well, I've just labeled all of these transactions. When I select view, why is it not showing me all of the transactions that I just labeled? So if you're experiencing the same issues where your transactions aren't updating in your income tax statement on Sage, that is because likely they are going to be in the draft section of your account. Now, what I didn't realize was that every single individual transaction, even once you label it, has to be saved via clicking there. Once it's saved, it moves from draft to completed and will go to your income tax. Now, of course, you're going to have hundreds of transactions and it's going to be very long and frustrating. But Sage, of course, know this. And so only when you upgrade to the plan that's £8 a month from the free plan can you use this bulk editor where you can select all transactions and then select save. And they all go from the likes of your main account in the draft section to the completed section that will thus reflect the updated version in your income tax statement. So if your issue is because you're labeling your transactions, but they're not going over to your income tax statement, it is because they're still in the draft section more than likely, and you need to click save either on every individual transaction, which takes a long time, or you can pay to upgrade to go to the premium plan that lets you as a bulk 100 at a time, save them automatically. So I hope this helps you out. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.